Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I would like to share with you some ideas about some RPA technologies. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation, and the idea is to reduce rework, try to be more effective with the time, give to our colleagues more time to work and provide additional value. So there are too many technologies for that, but basically I am very focused in understanding and try to explain you what are the benefits of this RPA technology. And sometimes there are a lot of people that are worried about it if they implement this technology. Basically, the idea is to understand what is RPA and what is not, identify which opportunities and process we can automate. For example, if there's a process that needs to be automated, probably we need to review the process itself first before start creating the automation, because some of the workflows or steps can be optimized before being automated. Then start creating a solution or decision criteria in order to see which process can be automated and provide additional value. Make some pilots, start measuring the difference, and expand the solution. So again, through my experience, I have been implemented some of those solutions, and at the beginning, a lot of people were skeptical about the process and how they can leverage. So I think that most of the mindset is again try to think that they will be replaced by a robot. There are multiple softwares that you can use in order to automate the process, and the one that I would like to highlight is UiPath. I have worked with that before, and it's a great tool. It's very easy to automate. I think it's pretty much the top solutions in this Magic Quadrant of Gartner. Has the same approach. It's kind of drag and drop controls. And again, the idea is to show you how to do it. With UiPath, the benefit you will have is they have a community edition that you can test to understand if that is a good solution for you. And, and again, it's limited for specific learning purposes. So you need to register. I will share the link with you guys. You will be able to download it. During the preparation of this video, I figured out that how I need to install UiPath on Mac, and that is not possible. The only OS supported by UiPath is Windows, so we can do multiple things to do that. There are some services and internet regarding related to Citrix, and for our environment we can use VirtualBox. This tool will help us to virtualize multiple operating systems. So right now I'm preparing my Windows VM for that. And it's important also to take into account that the latest version of UiPath is supported only in 64 bits operating systems. So the good thing of VirtualBox is that we are able to install different different OS in our single computer. We can do additional things, and about the journey that we were talking before, it's important to have this sandbox in order to create different things and play with network configurations, connections, and all that. So during the installation, the installer is asking about the profile that we would like to use. This is the first time they see this screen. The last time they have installed the UiPath Community Edition, was one single option, so I think that we can try to go with the most advanced set one. Let's see. All right, the program has loaded. So there are quick tutorials there and templates. Let's do a quick example. All right, the bot has been executed. I can do it one more time. Close the program. This the writing is like somebody else is using the computer, right? So this is a very easy workflow, and we have a lot of functions here. And to the right, we can use the clipboard. We can try to add a Visual Basic script code. We can work with triggers. So there are a lot of functionalities here that can help us to reduce the complexity of all these programming. So I recommended that you guys you can use this platform experiment a little bit. Um, Being a data engineer or system engineer was to go ahead and show new opportunities to the business, how to be more efficient, more effective, and additionally, we're gonna help the automation tool. There are a lot of documentation. Actually, these people has a university where you can enroll and perform some courses online. Let me show you UiPath University. So this all this academy is free, and again, this is something that I highly recommend to explore this technology. That is also something that we're gonna need to apply in our future projects. I'm pretty sure most of the new technologies and how the companies are able to start improving a lot of process. So you can go and do that. So uh, I, I am almost finishing this video. I would like to thank you again to being here. And our journey is very extensive. There are a lot of things that as data scientists we need to do. It's not just to work with algorithms and all that. It's good to know about networking, understand the security. I highly recommend also to start learning about ISO standards, best practices, things like ITIL and like ITIL, whatever thing that you can do for going to the industry standard is something that will help you growth as professional and show you better ways to do it. And again, we need to learn a lot of things regarding the computer. And in the university, they give us some foundations, but when we have the opportunity to put that in practice and learn about the technology and the real world opportunities to improve and implement efficiency, I think that is something that we can learn a lot. So uh, this is something that I would like. I was thinking that is very important. Learn about the technologies of automation. But in the next video, I would like to work more with Python and MySQL in order to create connections, make some queries, and continue with this journey. So thank you one more time. Hope we can stay connected. If you have any comment or you like to present some codes and things like that, please you can drop me a line here in the comments and talk to you soon. Then have a good one.